What's up, guys?
Hi.
We are at Epcot.
Yay!
Gonna hang out in Epcot for a little while. Eat some food.
Walk through a parking lot.
Eat some food.
Seems like we're always walking through parking lots.
Yeah, the last couple times we came here, we were on 2 out of 3 times we were on this side, which as you can see behind me, Spaceship Earth, the whole parking lot. She's running from the camera. And the monorail track way back there. Oh, I almost got her with that one. That was unintentional. So we're gonna head in, eat some food, ride some rides.
See some flowers.
I know we'll probably do your favorite ride, Soarin.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Did I say we're gonna eat some food? Because I'm gonna eat some food. It's my favorite part of any festival they have. Oh, frushi. Yep, I don't care what we're doing, we're getting some frushi.
So it's a beautiful day.
Yep.
Excited.
And we're heading on in. Heading over to get our what?
Mini magnet. I'm so super excited for annual pass holders.
So we're going in to get ours.
But they never had mini.
Never had mini.
Never had mini. I like better, just Orange Bird by himself or Mickey?
I don't know. Orange Bird by himself is going to be hard to find, right? Even this one looks like it's all Orange Bird for $20. You flip it around. There's Mickey and Pluto. But here is the Magic Band. And this Magic Band does have Orange Bird on it. Right there. $32.99. And it has Mickey and Pluto on it. I wonder if they'll make it to the character outlet. I do have to say that I don't remember a time when the flowers in the water were as many as there are now or looked as good as they do now.
So pretty. I think they should leave them all the time.
It does make the lake look a lot better. Or is it a pond?
It's a pond.
It's a pond. But it looks 10 times better with the flowers in there, doesn't it?
Oh, you can see the crane all the way over there for the gondola station.
Oh, yeah, I've never noticed you can see
Tower Terror through here.
Too.
That's crazy. Maybe they've trimmed those trees because I don't think I've ever seen it through here.
No, I don't remember seeing it through here. I don't know if I could get any closer, but to the left of the crane is Tower Terror through the trees. Yeah, I've never noticed that before. Butterflies. They have them.
I'm finally breaking down and buying my Haunted Mansion playing cards.
Every time we've come here, you thought about that, and now we're just finally going to get them.
I haven't seen them in any other stores.
No, this is the only place I've seen them. Let me see the back. How cool is that?
And they glow in the dark, too. They're so cool.
Even if you don't play cards, they're still cool. We don't play cards. We're still getting them. Oh, look at that clue set. $29.99.
So on a side note, if you ever go to the bathroom in Norway, they're really themed really nice. I think that's the first time I've ever been in there.
Themed like you're in Norway?
But they're really nice. I've never been in there.
Yeah, because every other bathroom's just like a regular bathroom.
Check them out.
Check them out when you're here, would you? is that? Do you see this right now? They are getting no love.
Oh, no
Timon and Pumbaa. But look at all the people over at Simba and Rafiki.
I love them. Does he always had just one tooth?
Probably.
Oh man.
He's got the tussle, so he's not all... It's not all bad.
Not all bad.
It's not all sunshine and roses, but it isn't all turds either. You know what I see back there?
What?
Orange bird. This little, which I'm hoping is like a awesome pretzel grilled cheese with ham,
Yum.
maybe. You gonna try it first?
Should we just like...
Just pick it up and bite it. Just eat it. Ooh, look at that ham. Ooh, that looks good. Is it good? First impression.
Very hammy.
Very hammy.
Chomp. Got some on your lip. So
Pretty hammy. It's not as it's definitely not as cheesy as I was expecting it to be.
know.
I was expecting it to like explode with cheese.
The pretzel bread's pretty good though.
Oh, it's good. But let me add this before I forget. For $5, that's a pretty good little snack.
Yeah.
Compared to the rest of the prices that you're gonna run into at Flower and Garden.
It's got a smoky taste to it.
Yeah, that's what it does. Like the aftertaste is smoky ham.
Smoky ham.
Yep, you got something on your lip too.
Dang.
We're lip buddies. Getting a little windy, but we're heading over to, well, as you can see, we're in Japan. We're gonna go grab some frushi. How do you feel about that?
Yes. Yes, please.
Just a little FYI that we usually do because tables are hard to come by for some reason. Use a garbage can. They should put tabletops on these.
They should.
What'd you get there?
Frushi, frushi.
So far, we've gotten that every time we've come now. For the record, this is our fade.
I'm just gonna go for it.
Go for
Whole
it.
thing in my mouth.
Put the whole thing in your mouth. Then I'm going to focus in on you while you're chewing. Sorry, you mind if I just... That does happen when you're standing in the garbage can. People will have to use the garbage can. You like it? Oh, yeah.
It's so good.
I'm going to do like you did and go for the whole thing.
Just do it.
That's good. Right back here is the back entrance if you're walking over from the boardwalk, beach club, or even Hollywood Studios if you came a long way. But back there where the crane is where one of the gondola stations is going to be. And if I pan over here, you can see where they're working on Ratatouille. Right back behind that tree where the crane is. Walk over here. that's going to be the liftoff, one of the liftoff, what do you call them?
Platform stations.
Platforms, yeah, where the gondola is going to rise up over here or come down right through there. But I'm pretty sure that crane is for Ratatouille, because it's right behind where the ride's going to go. And that one looks like it's heading more that way, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's coming along. On a little side note, Garden Rocks, these are all the acts. Some of them you missed, but from Smash Mouth down, that's who's going to be here the rest of the spring into summer. I wanted to show you some more topiaries. A little bit of advice when you're in a World Showcase. Everything's to the left and everything's to the right. Doesn't matter which way you go. $19.99 for you Marvel fans that want the Infinity Gauntlet as a mug. Or you can get Thanos over here for $15. Uh-oh, I might have to get this for Ashley. As you can tell, they're gearing up for Toy Story Land. Starting to sell a lot more Toy Story stuff here.
Oh my god.
Talking Slinky Dog.
What do you do?
Is he saying bark, bark,
He's saying
bark?
bark, bark, bark. I don't know what he's saying.
That's what he said?
This here is the best thing ever. Just make sure I don't get tangled up.
Who's ever had a Slinky that didn't get tangled?
He's so cute.
How much is he?
$24.99.
$24.99. That's not bad.
It's not
a talking
bad.
Slinky Dog. That's going to be very popular. That's going to be gone.
What
is
this?
Peas in a pod? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That looks like something like from Shanghai Disney.
$14.99.
I was right, peas in a pod. God, I'm so Disney. Does he smell like strawberries? Does he?
He smells like strawberry shortcake.
Oh my god. I'm
This
glad they
brings
brought
back
him.
so many memories, childhood memories.
That is cool. How much was he? $20 each when you buy two.
Yeah, when you buy two.
Otherwise, they're $24.99. Andy.
He didn't used to have Andy. Did he have Andy on his foot?
All of Andy's toys have Andy, don't they? All right, what did you find for Nellie? Oh, she's gonna be so adorable. How much is it?
$14.99.
That's not bad.
She's gonna love it.
They also have ears for your dogs.
Or I'm gonna make her love it.
She might not like it as much as putting on a shirt. Section of Laugh, Love, Mickey.
Oh,
American Legend, is that what this section's called?
Yeah, $12.99.
That is awesome.
Look at the incense hoppers.
Those are perfect. Patriotic. With the cups on the top, too.
Aww.
Just screams America, doesn't it? Make America Mickey again. Look at this plate. Mickey would make a good president. Heading into the land to do a little bit of soaring and living with the land.
Yeah.
This place is big, but it needs to be so much bigger. It's $30.
$30.
It's kind of like the white one, but more Polynesian.
Yeah.
I would say. You still see the hidden Mickeys all over. Still pretty cool. I'll let you think about it or get it, whichever you want. I had a good day.
It was
How about
awesome.
you? Thanks for watching, man.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Yep. And we hope to see you out there sometime.
Bye.